Healthy habit number 5 of 16 is to consume a high quality protein source with each meal. Protein is vital for our human survival and also for optimal health and performance. So let's start off by listing the top 10 vital physiological functions that require protein. Sixth, let's explain why protein is vital for transport and storage. Proteins are responsible for the transport and storage of essential molecules within the body, ensuring that nutrients, gases, and other vital compounds are delivered to the right tissues at the right time. Without these transport proteins, many of the body's physiological processes would be inefficient, and essential functions like oxygen delivery, nutrient absorption, and waste removal would be compromised. One of the most well known transport proteins is hemoglobin, which is responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cells that binds to oxygen molecules and transports them through the bloodstream. Once the oxygen reaches its destination, hemoglobin releases it, allowing cells to use it for energy production and other metabolic processes. Without hemoglobin, tissues would be starved of oxygen and cells would not be able to produce the energy they need to function. Proteins also play a crucial role in the transport of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. For example, the protein albumin binds to various substances in the blood, including fatty acids, hormones, and medications, and carries them to different tissues. Similarly, transferrin is a transport protein that binds to iron and ensures that it is delivered to the cells where it is needed for processes like DNA synthesis and energy production. Without transferrin, iron would not be efficiently transported, leading to conditions like anemia. Storage proteins are equally important for maintaining nutrient balance in the body. Ferritin, for instance, is a storage protein that holds iron in reserve in the liver, spleen, and bone marrow. When the body needs iron for processes like red blood cell production, ferritin releases into the bloodstream. This ability to store and release nutrients as needed is critical for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring that the body has a steady supply of essential elements even during periods of low dietary intake. Another important transport protein is lipoprotein, which carries cholesterol and triglycerides through the bloodstream. Lipoproteins are composed of both proteins and lipid components, and they help transport fats to cells where they are used for energy, stored, or converted into other molecules like hormones. Disruptions in lipoprotein function can lead to elevated cholesterol levels and increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis. Proteins are essential for the transport and storage of vital molecules in the body. From hemoglobin's role in oxygen delivery to ferritin's ability to store iron, these proteins ensure the nutrients and gases are effectively transported and made available to cells as needed. Ensuring an adequate protein intake supports these critical functions, promoting overall health and preventing deficiencies that can lead to disease. Seventh, let's explain why protein is vital for cell structure and support. That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.